So, gagawin natin dito yung first step. Since in D1, ang coefficient ng x square natin, we have 9. I-divide natin both sides by 9. So, divided by 9, ito, and ito rin, this is over 9. 9x square over 9 minus 12x over 9 plus 9 over 9 equals 0 over 9. So, ilagay natin dito. Hi everyone, this is Ash Guzman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial video, we are going to discuss the third method for solving quadratic equations in one variable by completing the square. So, without further ado, let's begin. The third method for solving quadratic equations in one variable is by completing the square. So, any quadratic equation can be solved by this method. If x squared plus bx is a binomial, then by adding a b over 2 quantity square, which is the square of half the coefficient of the x natin, a perfect trinomial will result. So, x squared plus bx, again, kukunin natin yung kalahati ng b na to, and then i-square natin and i-add natin dito sa binomial. So, we have b over 2 quantity square. This is now a perfect square trinomial which can be factored out by, say, we have x plus b over 2 times x plus b over 2, or simply x plus b over 2 quantity square. We can solve any quadratic equation by completing the square and then i-apply natin yung square root property. So we have steps in solving a quadratic equation using completing the square. To solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 by completing the square, number 1, if a is not equal to 1, divide each side of the equation by a. So this makes the coefficient of the x squared term 1. Number 2, isolate the variable terms on one side of the equation and then the constant term on the other side of the equation. Number 3, complete the square and add to the half the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. And number 4, factor the resulting trinomial as a perfect square and combine like terms on the other side. Number 5, use the square root property to complete the solution. Example number 1, solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 4. So in solving quadratic equations, again, we always begin every procedure by rearranging the equation so that yung constant is on the right side. So, ilagay muna natin yung positive 4 sa right side. We have x squared plus 5x equals negative 4. Since yung coefficient ng x squared natin is already 1, we can complete the square on the left side. Kukunin natin yung half ng coefficient ng x natin, which is 5, and then i-square natin. Yun yung value na i-add natin to complete the square. So, this is, ito, kunin natin yung kalahati. This is 5 over 2, and square natin. This is equal to 25 over 4. Yan yung ilalagay natin to both sides. Remember, in an equation, whatever is added to the left side must also be added to the right side. So, i-add natin sa magkabilang side. This is x squared plus 5x plus 25 over 4 equals negative 4 plus 25 over 4. The left side now, ito, is a perfect square trinomial. So, kung i-factor natin yan, we have x plus 5 over 2 times x plus 5 over 2. And this is equal to negative 4 plus 25 over 4 is 9 over 4. So, pwede na natin i-rewrite to as x plus 5 over 2 quantity square equals 9 over 4. Square root ng magkabilang side, this is now x plus 5 over 2 na lang, equals, gagamitin natin yung square root property. So, this is positive or negative 3 over 2. So, x is equal to negative 5 over 2. Nilipat natin sa right side of the equation, positive or negative 3 over 2. So, ang roots natin ngayon, we have, lagyan na natin dito, x equals negative 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2 and x as negative 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Calculating bawat value ng x natin, etong x na to, Negative 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is negative 1. Ito naman, negative 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution set natin ngayon is negative 4 and negative 1. And this is now the answer for example number 1. Example number 2, solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x plus 4 equals 0. Since yung coefficient again ng x squared natin is already 1, so skip na natin yung first step natin. For step 2, i-isolate natin ulit yung constant sa right side of the equation. We have x squared minus 6x. This is negative 4. And next step, i-complete na natin yung square. Kukunin natin yung half ng 6. So that is negative 6 over 2. And i-square natin. This is now negative 6 over 2 is negative 3. And negative 3 square is positive 9. Yung positive 9 na yan, yung i-add natin sa both sides of the equation. We have x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals negative 4 plus 9. And if a-factor na natin yung perfect square trinomial, which is ito, we have x minus 3 and x minus 3, or x minus 3 times x minus 3 equals positive 5. Pwede na natin isulat to as x minus 3 square equals 5. So, square root na magkabilang side. This is x minus 3 na lang. And square root of 5, gagamitin na natin yung square root property. So, this is positive or negative square root of 5. Solving for x, we have positive 3 plus or minus square root of 5. So, separate natin, we have x equals 3 plus square root of 5. And another x, we have 3 minus square root of 5. Therefore, ang solutions natin are 3 plus or minus or positive or negative square root of 5. Or pwedeng isulat as separately itong dalawa na to. But this is the answer for example number 2. Example number 3, solve the quadratic equation 9x squared minus 12x plus 9. So, gagawin natin dito yung first step. Since in D1, ang coefficient ng x squared natin, we have 9. I-divide natin both sides by 9. So, divided by 9 ito, and ito rin, this is over 9. 9x squared over 9 minus 12x over 9 plus 9 over 9 equals 0 over 9. So, ilagay natin dito. This is x squared na lang. Cancel ito. Minus 12 over 9 is simply 4 over 3 na lang pag sinimplify natin. X plus 1 equals 0. So, ilipat natin yung positive 1 to the right side of the equation. We have x squared minus 4 over 3x equals negative 1. And pwede na natin i-complete yung square. Kukunin natin yung half ng coefficient ng x, which is negative 4 over 3. And i-square natin. So, this is negative 4 over 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 over 3. And i-square natin yung 2 over 3. We have 4 over 9. Yung 4 over 9 ngayon, yan ang ilalagay natin to both sides of the equation or i-add natin. X squared minus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 equals negative 1 plus 4 over 9. If a factor na natin ito as a perfect square trinomial, we have x minus 2 over 3 times x minus 2 over 3 na lang. And this is equal to negative 1 plus 4 over 9 is negative 5 over 9. So this is x minus 2 over 3 quantity square equals negative 5 over 9. And kukunin natin yung square root ng both sides of the equation. Cancel na to. This is x minus 2 over 3 equals positive or negative square root of negative 5 over 9. Again, since meron na naman tayong negative dito, ang square root ng negative sa U1 is I. So, I ang ilalagay natin. This is positive or negative square root of 5 And yung 9 natin is pwede natin kuhanin yung root which is equal to 3. So this is positive or negative square root of 5 over 3 and meron pa tayong I dito. Lipat natin yung negative 2 over 3 sa kabilang side. We have x equals, positive na siya, 2 over 3 plus or minus square root of 5 over 3i. Therefore, ito na yung ating solution for this quadratic equation. 2 over 3 positive or negative square root of 5 over 3i. This is the solution for example number 3 quadratic equation.